Good morning. So it's morning where I'm at. By the time you see it, I'm not sure if it's going to be morning, evening, afternoon, or what have you. But, so here we go. This is a 1990 F-150 5.0. I'm having trouble with this part here. As you can see, it's a aftermarket part. Bought it off of Amazon. And turns out that where your turn signal goes, that's the whole point of changing this part. This is a turning signal switch. Turns out that I messed that up. Well, the threads in here were messed up, so my lever was not able to screw in. I screwed it in, I forced it in. And after that, this part here, which is actually, what you turn right and turn left and all that, it decided to stop working. So now I have to switch it again. This time I didn't go the cheapo route. I went to O'Reilly's and bought myself a standard ignition part off of O'Reilly's. I've been doing this little snap ring with these right here. Icon little toothpick tools right here. And I would hook them in and spread them out and use something else like a trimmer remover tool and to slide this out. Well, where I went to buy these Icon tools, I went ahead and I bought a $6 snap ring remover. So just a reminder, it might be a cheapo part, but as you can tell, much easier to remove these little snap rings. So just a reminder, right tool for the job. Spread it out, go back in.